Welcome, my dear students. We are going to start our new chapter, chapter 8, Cards and Wheels. Cards and Wheels, what we study in this chapter? See, these are some basic shapes, and you know the names of all these basic shapes. The first one is a rectangle, second one is a square. This one, you know very well, triangle. This is circle. So in our chapter, we are going to study about circle, cards and wheels. So wheel, the wheel of any vehicle, you can see the wheel of any vehicle will be in the shape of circle. So we study about circles in this chapter. In our regular life, in our day-to-day life, you might have come across many shapes which looks like a circle. Best example, coin. All coins will be in the shape of a circle. Look at this very tasty dosa, circle. This, what you play, circle. Your favorite lollipop, circle. Bangle, circle shape. Wheel, this is also a wheel. This is a cracked up biscuit. Roti, wall clock. All these shapes are in circles. So circle is not a new thing because you might have come across all these shapes in your regular life. The wheel of any vehicle, the wheel of any vehicle. You can see some chords here. The wheel, all wheels are in the shape of a circle. So you can try to draw the circle with the different circles with the help of bangles, bottle cap, coins. By taking all this, you can try to draw different circles. Okay, and observe your surroundings in your home, outside. You can observe the things which are in the shape of a circle and try to study them. Bangle is the easiest thing to draw a circle. Bangle, you can use bangle to draw a circle. Okay, do you have any idea? Because kids, you play so many games with your friends. So any idea where circles are involved in playing? Handkerchief game. Do you remember this? Do you remember this? Handkerchief game. Look at this. All students are sitting, all kids are sitting in the shape of a circle. All are sitting in the shape of a circle and they play handkerchief game. They will throw the kerchief on the, okay. So handkerchief game. One more game where circles are involved. Musical chair. Musical chair also. All students will walk around a circle and they will sit on the chairs. Musical chair. Do you have any other idea? In other games, cat and mouse game, where all are moving around the circle. Okay. Dog and bone game. See here, circle shape. See, bone will be kept in the circle. Students will come from both ends, pick the bone. He is the winner. Yes. Yes, they will run. They will pick the bone. Who first pick the bone, he is the winner. So what I mean to say, circle is not a new word to you. You know what is a circle? Circle is not a new word to you. You have seen different shapes which are in the form of a circle. Okay. So in our subject, in our chapter, we are going to study about the circle. Okay. If you look at the board, I have drawn a circle here. This is a circle. Circle. All points. This is a curve. Closed curve. A closed curve where all points are at a constant distance from the fixed point. This fixed point is there. This fixed point is called center of the circle. The fixed point is called center of the circle. And this is called radius. 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 All these are equal in measurements. All are equal in measurements. Singular word is radius. If only one line, it is radius. Many lines all are equal. So when you take plural, it is called radii. R-A-D-I-I. Radii. Radii is the word used for the plural of radius. Look at this diagram. Circle. This is a circle. Closed curve. This is called center. This is called radius. This is also radius. The whole line, the line which is passing through the center is called diameter. The line passing through the center is called diameter. Line passing through center is called diameter. And radius will be half of the diameter. Radius is always half of the diameter. Radius is always half of the diameter. Radius is always half of the diameter. Okay, now I have drawn some radius of different circles. Suppose 5 centimeter is the radius of a circle. What will be the diameter of the circle? If 5 centimeter is the radius of a circle, what's the diameter?
2.5. Mokshita says 2.5.
Listen. Diameter is double the radius. Diameter is double the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Okay. Now is it okay? Diameter will be double the radius. Diameter will be double the radius. Two radius together is a diameter. Diameter is double the radius. So when radius is 5, diameter will be
मोटा दिसली एప్పుడు मोटा
10
got
the point.
eso
Diameter will be always double the radius. Radius is 10 centimeters. What is diameter? Huh? 2 into 10.
Good morning.
Yes. Radius is 3. Diameter
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Answer that. These two are
Sir, the
the
first question is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeters, sir. 20 centimeter.
just you have
And
to,
sir, second answer
you
is
have to
4
double the radius.
centimeter. 4 centimeters, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Seventh one is 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Centimeters. Sir, from compass we get a center point. Okay. Hello, my dear.
Who is doing mic testing there?
Hello, my testing.
Concentrate on the class. See, radius. Radius is a line segment drawn from center to any point on the circle. That is called radius. See, radius is like this. From center to point on the circle. Radius is a singular word. Radii is plural. All the radii of a circle are equal in length. Diameter. Diameter will be double to the radius. Chord of a circle. Now we will do some questions reverse to this. Diameter is 10. What is radius? Radius is half of the diameter. 10 by 2. 12 by 2. 8 by 2.
First one, 10 twos are 20. 12 twos are 24. 8 twos are 16. 2
You have to divide by 2. Half
2
of
5 are 10 centimeter. 10 twos are 20.
not 10 to 1.
12 twos are 24.
No, wrong.
Sir, 12 twos are 24.
You are doing mistake.
12 twos are 24.
This is half of the diameter. The reverse.
24. 24, sir. 4. Sir, 24, sir. Sir, 24.
24 is wrong answer. Diameter is given. You have to find the radius. Still, you are doing the previous question. Previous question is different. This question is different. Look at the question carefully. Diameter is given. You have to find the radius. Radius will be half of the diameter. So diameter, this full length is given. You have to find half of the length. Full length is given. You have to find half of the length. So 10 centimeter off will be 5 centimeter. 12 centimeter off, half of 12 centimeter is 6 centimeters. 8 centimeter is given, half of that will be 4 centimeters. Previous one is different, this one is different. What about this?
Sir, 6 centimeter.
Sir, 3 centimeter.
This is 3 centimeter. And
3
14
is
centimeter.
7 centimeters.
10 centimeter.
10 centimeters.
Half of the diameter will be the radius.
1 centimeter. Sir, we should write in the notebook.
Yes.
Sir, we should write it in the notebook.
Look at the diagram. Look here. This circle. O is called center of the circle. O is called center of the circle.
Into the WhatsApp, sir.
O is called center of the circle. AB is called diameter of the circle. OA and OB both are equal. If one is taken radius, two are taken diameter. In addition to this, look at this. PQ. The line joining any 2 points on the circle. The line joining any 2 points on circle. The line joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. This is chord. This is chord of a circle. This line is called chord of the circle. Okay, so a circle will have center, radius, diameter, and chord. The line joining any two points in the circle is called a chord. These also a chord, these also a chord, these also a chord. Many chords can be drawn. Among all the chords, biggest chord will be diameter. Longest chord, that is called diameter. This is this. This is called arc of the circle. Arc. Arc means some portion of the circle. Some portion. Some portion. This is arc. This is called arc. Arc of a circle. See, this trace, this is this boundary. Complete boundary is called as circumference. Complete boundary is called circumference. Circumference means length of circle. Complete boundary is called circumference or length of the circle. Do you have geometry box with you?
Sir, I have a protractor.
Can anybody show the protractor to me? Protractor.
Yes, sir.
Protractor.
Sir, I have.
Please show it to me. Good. Good.
Sir, I have some. Sir, that one right.
Good. Good. Nandini. Good. Vijayalakshmi.
Akka, protector na bagla.
Protractor. Good. Good. Only protractor. Only protractor. Compass.
First చెప్పారా అయ్యో అరే అయ్యో Batata.
Sorry, compass. You know why the compass is used? You know why the compass is used?
To draw circle. We will do circle. That's why that is big, sir.
The compass is used to draw a circle. Compass is used to draw a circle. How to draw a circle? Look at this. This is a compass. One side you will have a sharp needle. Be careful of this. Second side there will be a hole where you can insert pencil. So insert the pencil. Insert the pencil. Then open the compass like this. This point, this sharp edge, we'll fix somewhere on the notebook. We open this based on the requirement. Look at the scale. You have the scale. Suppose you want 4 centimeter radius circle, then the measurement between the edge of the pencil and the sharp needle. This distance should be 4 centimeter. So take a scale, open this and measure 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeters. So you can measure this. Okay. So measure 4 centimeters. This edge will be here. When 4 centimeters are taken, we will draw a circle. So from center to this, you can check. It will be always 4 centimeter if your calculation, if your drawing is right. So compass is used to draw a circle. It is very easy. Already you might have done this, but in our chapter officially we are going to use compass. So compass will be used to draw a circle. We will identify the center and we will draw the circle. Okay. So if you want, you can try. All of you take compass, draw a circle of 3 centimeter radius and show it to me. All of you draw a circle of 3 centimeter radius and show it to me. All of you take a compass, measure 3 centimeter radius on scale and draw the circle. All of you draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Next class we are going to use compass. Next class completely based on compass and problems. So those who don't have the compass, next class be ready with compass.
Okay, sir.
Pencil, scale,
Okay, sir.
eraser or don't use bangles.
Okay, sir.
Don't use bangles.
Okay, sir.
Kartika, don't use bangle.
Okay, sir.
Kartika, don't use bangles. Use compass only. If you don't have the compass, don't worry. Next class, be ready with compass.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Those who have drawn the circle, please show it to me.
Thanks, sir.
Show it to me.
Good morning, sir. Sir.
Near to the camera. Near to the camera. Those who have drawn the circle. Rishika, circle is drawn now. Very good, correct. Name the center as O. And you can check the radius. Sharon, good. Dhanush, where is your circle?
ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ತಾರ
Kartika, you're supposed to use compass, not bangle.
ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ತಾರ
Good. Arna, good. See, I will share one worksheet which includes the problems of circles radius. Double the radius will be the diameter. Half of the diameter will be the radius. These are the only two formulae which help me in the whole chapter. Okay. So I will share the worksheet. Please try to solve the worksheet and complete it. Still, many people have not done the holiday homework. Please do it. Otherwise, you are going to lose 20 marks. Next class, we will revise this and we'll do problems completely based on compass. So next class, be ready with compass, eraser, scale, pencil, so that we do more problems using compass. Okay, that's all for today class. I will share the worksheet. Please complete the worksheet. Okay.